Hello, I thought today I'd share with you one of my really simple little tricks for saving time. Lots of times I've got little snippets of information that I would like to use again and again. So what I do is I kind of record them and play them back with a simple little code. And this works right across all my Microsoft Office programs. Let me just show you how. Say that I want to take that section there. Okay, that's what I would like to pull back just with a few letters, perhaps. I'm using Word at the moment. I go to File, Options, and then Proofing, AutoCorrect Options, and I put in a little code, something that isn't a proper word that I can remember, so TRG for training, and all the text that I've just highlighted is going to appear when I type in TRG and then press space. So I add that and say OK and OK again, and then I'll try it on a brand new document. So Control and N, brand new document, and then if I type TRG space, there I am. And this is fabulous because it works in all my programs. So if I needed that text in another program like PowerPoint or Excel or anything like that, it's in the dictionary, as you will. So I hope that's helpful to you. Have a go and see whether you can record some little short bits of information. It does, by the way, keep any formatting that you put in there, which is amazing. So I love it. I've used this for years.